Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively in the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the EGR valve, which is in the upper left of the engine compartment. To be able to access the EGR valve, you must first remove the engine cover. You should be able to see the EGR valve and its inlet conduit. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to the EGR breakdown. Loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. Disconnect the air inlet duct. To do this, take the metallic tab on the pin with a pair of pliers, then lever it off using a flathead screwdriver. You can now remove the duct. Then remove the solenoid valve using a 5mm Allen key to take off the 3 holding screws. Once removed, disconnect it with a small flathead screwdriver. You now have access to the EGR valve. Start by removing the duct from the valve control. Now, in order to access the holding screws on the valve, you have to remove the 2 holding screws on the air inlet duct using a Torx T27 key. Once this has been achieved, move the duct itself. With a 6mm Allen key, unscrew the 2 screws on the duct located under the EGR valve. Then, with a 5mm Allen key, remove the last 2 screws that hold the valve in place.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Once the valve has been removed, you will see that the duct has been significantly clogged up. Try to remove as much of this dirt as possible. To clean the conduit, we recommend watching the video How to Clean the EGR Valve Touran 1 1.9 TDI. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new EGR valve and the new seal. Start by putting the new seal in place and holding it there with the lower screw on the engine side, because if you put the other screw, you will not be able to screw all the screws of the EGR valve back in. Install the new EGR valve, then roughly tighten the screw. Put back the 2 screws that hold the valve in place. Roughly screw in the second lower screw and finish off the tightening process. Return the air inlet duct to its place and screw it in. Reconnect the solenoid valve and then screw the 3 holding screws back on. Reconnect the control hose back onto the EGR valve. Finish by putting the air inlet duct back in place, then lock it in place using its pin. put the engine cover back on. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.